Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete pages from a PDF using Adobe Acrobat. Whether you need to remove a single page or tidy up a whole section, by the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to reshape your PDF documents quickly and confidently. This is a skill that'll save you tons of time, especially if you work with larger PDFs, school assignments, or business reports where not every page really needs to stick around. Let's get started right away. First, open your PDF in Adobe Acrobat. This might sound obvious, but I recommend double-checking you've opened the file you actually want to edit. There's nothing worse than making changes to the wrong document and realizing it later. So take a moment to confirm that you're working with the right PDF. You're actually going to want to use Acrobat, not Adobe Reader, which is only for viewing. Acrobat gives you the editing features you need. Next, in the Adobe Acrobat workspace, look towards the top of the window for the Tools tab. Give that a click. Here, you'll see a whole toolbox of PDF editing features. What we're after today is called Organize Pages. So scroll a little or scan through the icons until you find Organize Pages. Click it, and the main window will instantly transform. Now you'll see all the page thumbnails of your PDF lined up in a grid. It's sort of like looking at a miniature storyboard of your document, which makes it easy to spot the pages you want to remove. Now, here's the fun part: selecting which pages you want to delete. If you need to remove just a single page, simply hover your mouse over it. You'll notice a little trash can icon pops up. That's your delete button. But what if you need to remove several pages at once? If the pages are consecutive, click the first one, then hold down the Shift key and click the last page of the range. Acrobat will select everything in between. It's almost like sorting a stack of cards and pulling out the ones in the middle. But maybe your unwanted pages are scattered throughout your document. No problem. Just hold down the Control key if you're on Windows or the Command key for Mac users and click each individual page you want to bid farewell. Acrobat makes it easy to see which ones are highlighted, so there's no confusion. Once you've got your target pages selected, look for that trash can icon again. It usually appears near the thumbnail or over in the left pane. Click it, and now pause for a second. Acrobat will pop up a confirmation dialog box. Just to double check you're sure about this deletion. This is your safety net. If you're confident, go ahead and click OK or Delete. Don't worry if you pause to reconsider, which can happen, especially with important files. Acrobat won't delete anything until you approve it. Your selected pages are now gone, but you aren't quite finished yet. To make sure your changes stick, head up to the File menu and select Save. This overwrites your PDF with the updated version, one that only contains the pages you want to keep. If you want to preserve the original just in case, you could use Save As to make a new copy. And that's it! You've successfully deleted pages from your PDF using Adobe Acrobat. Quick, simple, and no unnecessary hassle. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps out. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or if there's another PDF trick you want to learn. And don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching and good luck editing your PDFs.